Hello everyone, this is Hitechtalk. So if you will go to your Instagram stories, you will see here in the top 2024 collage. So how to use this, I will show you in my mobile screen. So for this, open your Instagram account, click on this plus icon, go to story section and go to this gallery one here, and you will see in the top 2024 collage. Just click on this one. After clicking on this one, you can select multiple photos here. For example, I am selecting here and I will click on this arrow icon. You can see they have arranged this three photo in a collage, and you can also modify this as you like. Okay, and here will be my 2024, and you can add a music whatever you want and you can post it. So this is just a template, so you can use it and this will be visible to lots of people and followers who are using same template. So I hope you will find this video useful. Thank you.